in the rain. By the way, I probably need to tighten them up. Awesome. Oh, what? Freaking choke was halfway up. No wonder this thing's running like crap. All right, so as you can see, that video was kind of short. And you know what I mean by when this thing shifts kind of funny. You know, when you're coming out in the clutch and hitting the gas, you know, it kind of acts a little weird sometimes because, I mean, think about it. Grass cutting lawnmower transaxle is not really made for that. But yeah, it actually did really good. I mainly wanted to do this video to ask y'all, what do you think of my new camera mount that I made? This is actually a helmet I bought at Goodwill for like $6. And this is my main helmet I usually wear, but as you can see, there's no where to really mount a camera besides if you stick it on there. This actually has some tap holes already in here. And same thing on this side. So I just got a 1/4-inch bolt, threaded that in there, put my cheesy adapter on there. It's the only way I can do it to mount a cell phone on it anyway. Put some zip ties on there to keep the phone in there, and yeah, just clamp the phone in there and it works pretty good. And this mount I actually robbed off the main tripod, which this used to have like a regular slide mount, but that broke off. So I had to zip tie this bull crap on here. In order to film some of the pieces, I actually use, if you remember in my very, very early videos for like over 2 years ago, this is my first, phone mount I ever made. I basically just put my phone right in here, and it's kind of sucks sometimes, but it's the first one I had is a little Lego trailer, and yeah, that's how I filmed the little first bit right there. So as you can see, I'm slowly upgrading my filming equipment without really spending any money, because I don't really feel like spending $100 and something on filming equipment. I do need to get a different camera sometime soon, because this iPhone 8 is getting pretty old. 4K 60 frames a second. That's the settings, by the way. It's what I ever use on this YouTube channel. So hopefully I can get like some later and greatest alien technology phone that's going to come out soon, and I'll have better camera quality. So let me know how well that footage came out, and let me know your different views on the racing mower now you actually have a POV view of me driving it. I'm probably gonna do the same thing to the off-road mower if enough of y'all like it, and probably the same thing to the racing go-kart, or even the motorized bike, or even the Honda Rincon, and the Chinese four-wheeler. And also, for those of you who don't know, I am, again, a one-man band here. I do everything on this YouTube channel, from driving the mower, to working on the mower, to filming, to editing the video, to uploading the video, to chatting to you guys in the comments. Yes, I mean, there's nobody behind the scenes. I do literally everything. A little sneak peek about next video. I'm gonna make a video on the auxiliary mini fuel tank I made on this off-road mower. By the way, it's been raining like crazy at the house, and I took the off-road mower to the little back trail mud hole where I usually go to. Man, this thing with positive traction is just absolutely awesome now. I can go through a mud hole. Number one, it gets through it. Sorry for the noise, by the way. But number two, since it's positive traction, you can do freaking donuts in that mud, and it is so much fun doing that. So yeah, it's raining like crazy right now, which finished up in the perfect amount of timing. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click all the other buttons though YouTubers tell you to click. If you didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice, because 2's better than 1. 3 more doesn't work. That obviously does not count for likes, as we all know. And yeah, y'all should see me in the next one.